one way to be healthy is to be clean, right? And so I brought a friend who really loves to take baths. Maybe you know him. He's very, very slow. Any ideas who he could be? And this one is green, and his name starts with a t, 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 t. Turtle, turtle, you say it. T, 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 turtle, turtle. This turtle's name is Tiny Tim the turtle. A lot of T's, right? Well, my friend Tiny Tim the turtle loves to take baths, don't you, Tiny Tim? Yes? But sometimes he gets carried away. Sometimes he likes to drink the water in the bathtub. Can you say, ew, yucky? The water in the bathtub is not clean like the water in your cup. It was sitting in the bathtub with your dirty body sitting in it. Don't ever drink the water from the bathtub. Can you say that with me? Don't ever drink the water from the bathtub. That's yucky. And should you eat the soap? No way. Can you please tell him? Tiny Tim, you should not eat the soap. No, you can't eat it. He likes to eat the soap, and it always gives him a sick tummy and a bubble in his throat. Hey, do you guys know the song about Tiny Tim? Let's sing it together, okay? First, we're going to make a turtle by wiggling our thumb, and that can be the little turtle head. Can you put a thumb up and wiggle it like this? Good. Now we have to make the shell on top to cover up his body. So I want you to hold one hand over top like this, like an umbrella over his head. And then we're going to close it down slowly over his head. Can you wiggle your little thumb? He has his head poking out like that, out of the shell. I had a little turtle. His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could, do you know? Swim. Tim and swim. They're rhyming words. Good. Can you swim? Nice. He drank up all the water. Ooh. He ate up all the soap. Say yuck. And now he's sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Oh, bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. They're getting bigger. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Uh-oh. Bubble, bubble. Pop! Whoa, that bubble splashed all over me. Ugh. Did it splash on you? Did it get you? That's funny. Okay, we're going to sing the whole song all together, but you're going to have to make your turtle. So wiggle your thumb and put another hand over top and close it up like this. I had a little turtle. Are you singing? His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. Ooh. He ate up all the soap. Yucky. And now he's sick in bed. Uh-oh. With bubbles in his throat. Oh, bubble, bubble, bubble. Don't get too big too fast. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It's just gradually getting bigger. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Oh, bubble, bubble.